Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about card widget. A card is a sheet used to represent the information related to each other such as album, a geographical location, contact details, etc. Flutter card properties are border, foreground, color, elevation, margin, shape and shadow color. Let's start the coding part. Now I am creating the body of our app. First I am creating a container. I am giving a specific height and width to this container. Height as 200 and width as 300. Now I am creating a child card inside this container. Here I am adding some padding to this container. Let's change the color of this card widget. Now I am going to make these borders a curve shape. For that I am using the shape property. Now I am making this container center. Hit Ctrl S. Now I am creating the child column inside our card widget. Now I am giving some elevation to our card widget. I am specifying elevation value as 10. Hit Ctrl S. Here you can see a shadow like thing. Inside this child column, I am using main axis size. I am giving main axis size dot min. Inside this column, I am creating children. First, I am creating the children list title. Inside this list title, we will have some leading icons. I am using the icon album here. I am making the icon size as 50 and giving color for our icon. I am making color as white. Hit Ctrl S and see the output. Add some padding to your list title. Now I am going to give the title. Now I am going to add some styles to this text. I am giving a font size as 23 and I am changing the font color into white. Here I am specifying the subtitle. Here also I am adding some text style. Font size 18. I am giving a font weight. And I am changing font color. Now I am going to create two buttons by using button bar widget. This button bar helps to place different buttons horizontally. I am specifying children inside this button bar. I am using the first children as raised button. Inside this raised button, we have the child text. I am giving the text play here. I am using the same raised button. I am changing the text part as pause. Instead of using this text, we can use icons. That's all about card widget. Thank you and have a nice day.